We're going to take the back cover off of this TV to have a look inside, specifically at the speakers, since this is, after all, Simple Cafe sound. Subscribe for more audio tips, and for tips related to all things video, check out the other channel, Simple Cafe Vision. As I open the TV up, you notice that this TV, like almost every TV, gets wider in the bottom half. Here's another TV, and it also has a lower, wider half. That's where most of the electronics go, including the TV ports. But we can see that what takes up the most room are the speaker drivers. They're behind the screen so you can't see them, but pointing down so you can still hear them. Looks like our TVs could be a lot thinner if we sacrificed their speakers. Anyway, the speaker drivers on TV 1, we can tell that they're the same type as the ones in TV 2. Seems like this is the most efficient design for making the most out of the minimal amount of room they have to work within. Hey, while we're here, why not look at the ports? There's the antenna, a USB port, 2 HDMI inputs, and the not very popular optical port. You can check out this video to learn all about these. Alright, back to our speakers. So what do we make out of what we can now see? Well, perhaps the biggest takeaway should be that the size and shape of a speaker is going to determine what kind of sounds it can make. To keep it super simple, the descriptions range from low to mid to high. You may see these be offered to you as bass, mid, and treble. The speakers in your TV are going to make sounds in about the range between here. And if you're limited to work within such a small space, this is probably the best place to be. As you can see though, we're missing out on the bass, and that's fine because we wouldn't be able to fit such a big speaker driver in our thin TVs anyway. Those are going to come in their own containers, making them a subwoofer. So there you have it. If you aren't too happy with your TV sound, you may be thinking of adding a soundbar, right? But before you do, check out this video to see what's actually inside. Perhaps a soundbar isn't the answer. This other video may help you find the simplest solution. Want to support my efforts to grow the channel? You can do so with this link or right here within YouTube's thanks button. Okay, as always, I hope you get connected. See you on the next one.